Welcome back to Baking with Briony, a series where I am attempting to learn how to bake again. Today I'm going to try and make some garlic dough balls because I saw like a recipe a few days ago and oh my gosh, I've been craving them ever since. So let's get started. I have my bread maker because that's where we're going to make the dough, and then once it's mixed and proved we will pull it out, separate it into little separate it into little ball portions, and then it'll rise again and then we'll bake them. So first things first, I need to add my liquids. So this is all, apart from the water, it's all in grounds, which is strange. I don't think I've ever seen that before. So I'm curious as to whether that'll work well. So 175 ml of tepid water. And then 15 grams of oil, which is strange. Oil. So that is the liquids, and next we will do the dry ingredients. There we go. Okay, so I'm going to measure it in a bowl because I'm kind of nervous about pouring it straight in, just like with the oil then, because if you put too much in, it's kind of hard to fix it afterwards, I find. Okay, so we want 250 grams of bread flour. A little bit too much. I'm curious because I have read recently that if you use grams instead of cups for like the dry ingredients, you're less likely to like, have errors, because especially with cups you can like accidentally pack it in, right? So hopefully this is a good sign. So 250 grams of flour, 7 grams of sugar, 3 grams of salt, and then 4 grams of yeast lastly. And then you always want to make sure that the yeast doesn't touch the water straight away, I think. Especially if you're going to leave it a little bit. Okay. 4 grams should be about half of this packet, which is nice. Although I'm meant to put this in the little well now. Haha, spoon. Okay, so next we're going to pop it in the bread maker. This is only the second time I've used this bread maker. It's really exciting to me. I got it so cheap at the thrift store. So if it works at all, bonus. Okay, and then now we're going to put it on the dough setting. That should be an hour and a half. It's gonna go do its job, do its thing, and then we'll check in. It's been mixing for a few minutes. It looks good. Like tacky, but not wet and not dry, and it's picked up most of it, just like teeny bits to go. So that's a good sign. Okay, so the bread maker is just finished, which means it should have been mixed and proved. So we're gonna pull it out, and then we're gonna turn it into little balls. Just poke the bubble. Oh, well, that was anticlimactic, sorry. Use simple work surface with flour, turn out the dough, proceed to cut small chunks off, shaping into balls slightly smaller than a golf ball. Okay, I have shaped the dough balls now. We're going to preheat the oven, leave them on top of the oven while it preheats, and hopefully that's like the final proof, and then it goes in, I think, for 12 minutes. The recipe calls for baking them just as they are and then adding garlic butter after, but I just feel like it would be so much better baked in the garlic butter. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave some as it should be in the recipe to give it a fair chance, and then some I'm going to put the garlic butter on first. All smothered in garlic butter and ready to go in the oven. Okay, so we got one of each. Bye. They're getting so big, puffy, and hopefully fluffy. They've just come out of the oven. I just opened this one just to make sure it's cooked, because you're meant to wait until they go like brown. It looks brown on this, but I can prove that it's not. But yeah, so they're like nice and firm on the outside, not too firm. They have pretty recently come out of the oven, so they're probably still gonna be extremely hot. But I'm very excited to try one. Good. It's fluffy, garlicky, crispy on the outside. Can't really ask for more. I'd say this is definitely far more of a success than my last baking video with the other bread, which was really dense. So, good. I think I might try it again and try it like infused with garlic. And they also might try it sweet as well, which I've got the rest of these for. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed my video, I'm going to be doing a series of baking videos. Hopefully that will start going well. And I also have another channel with my husband where we do vlogs, so check that out. Thank you. Bye.